Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Blake Gytchell here, and today we're gonna do something a little more strange. And what kind of strange I'm talking about is we're making slime. Yes, slime. We're making two different kinds of slime today. We're gonna make I'm not like a slime professional, but I know there's gonna be this fluffy slime, and that one's my favorite. And then there's just the regular easy slime. And yeah, I kind of did a couple of, I've already did it. I tried it a couple of times and it's so freaking cool. I'm like in love with it, obsessed with it. Like, it's great. It feels like it's good for anxiety, but scratch all that. Let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so today we are going to, the ingredients you need is like glue, borax, I'll try to see if I can put a description somewhere of what it looks like somewhere in this frame. But it's borax and some water. Make sure, but I put mine in a little water bottle, so I could just pour it in there and mix it. Glue. For the fluffy, you need shaving cream. This is the only kind of shaving cream I have. But for the non, you don't need that or whatever. And I got some dye stuff, food coloring. But first you want to add glue, 1/2. And you want to do 50-50 because we're doing the fluffy first because that one's my favorite. I love the fluffy one. You want to do 1/2 glue, 1/2 this, which I probably don't have that much more because I didn't used a lot of it. Okay, guys. I'm saying that so wrong. I would never use it anyways. These are the only disposable utensils I have. And we want to stir these together, okay? We want to make a nice little something. And I've seen someone put cornstarch in theirs before. I don't know what that does, but I tried it, and I don't think I've seen any difference. I don't know. Maybe I don't know how to pay attention to it. But it kind of, that's what it does. Okay, so now we're at the food color. What color do you guys think we should put in there? Let's do I wanna say like a deep purple. That might be too much. I don't know. Let's see. That's a workout, honey. That is a workout. Now we can add the borax water mixture. How much, the ingredients, I don't know, you guys. I just eyeball stuff. You feel me? It's just like, who has time to measure? Until it's time that I start measuring, I'm gonna get into the habit. Trust me, I will cross over. I'm not even sure when it's a good time to say like this is enough. I don't know if I should add some more borax. But this looks, and once it gets like this, you want to go ahead and slide it off and just start. Oh my gosh. I guess this is what activates it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I don't know. This might be. I might have needed to put a little bit more of the borax probably, because this is a little dry. I'm guessing. Because this is definitely my arms are a little tired. That's a little dry. It's like a bouncy ball. What the heck? It didn't do this. I did better the first time. And I'm out of foam. Oh my god. You guys, I got some. Okay, that I did. But I'll show you guys. This is way better than this. Maybe this needs to sit. Maybe I should have added just a sprinkle more. Just a sprinkle more. Ooh. Maybe I shouldn't have did that. My arms are so tired. This stuff is so tough. Okay. Yep, that's what it was. It needed some more of that shebang juice, you know? The whole shebang. We're gonna let this sit for a second. Maybe it needs to chill out. My arms are getting tired. And we're just gonna jump right into the next one. Bam. But with this one, we're just gonna add the glue. Okay, glue added. And I think just the borax is all. So I think I'm gonna add the color first. What color should I do? Let's do this pink and green. Ooh, what's the color y'all think that's gonna be? That's gonna make a weird color. That's something else too, but I like that color, you guys. Look at that. It's like a peachy. It's like some foundation, somebody's highlight, something like that. This is what we're gonna call this. This is a nice little nude. Oh my gosh. People who make this get some strong arms. This is doing too much. I mean, way too much. Okay, the rest will get massaged in. So now we're gonna add the borax. The borax bricks. Oops, ooh, that might get too much. Oh, fudge. Maybe I add more glue. Oh my gosh. No. You guys, I think I ruined this one. And this one was so cool. Maybe if I add more glue. Oh, that's horrible. That massaging it will activate it like it does. Oh my god, this one might not be. Oh my goodness, y'all. Scares me. It's like, oh my lung, my lung. Oh my goodness, this one's pretty cool. I only made the foam one. I haven't made this one yet. This one's pretty cool. I didn't think it would turn out looking like this. I was panicking at first. Oh, I love this one. Oh, you guys do the ASMR sounds and stuff. Put that down there. You see this? Some of this is creepy. It's like I'm pulling someone's ear, my stomach. It's freaking crazy. Look at this. That is freaking weird. Looks like looking through oh my god. This is creepy. Bubble. Let's bring the puppy back up. Okay. It's still like weirdly like, is this normal? Does anybody else just do that? Like this is like pure foam. I don't think I had enough foam or something. What the heck, Shaq, Mac, Rack? Look at that. Okay, these are other two that I made the other day. So much different. So much different. It's like a cross in between. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. I don't know how I did this. Maybe because I had it for a few days. You know, I feel like professional when I have this one. This one. Do some. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. This is a pretty blue. Like, does anybody else's slime do like, is this normal? Like, mine's like a... And you guys, let me give a shout out to Ariel Davis for, you know, giving me this idea. She inspired me. She requested some slime. So, honey, we're bringing you some slime. Look at that slime. Let me put that slime right there. And this is the other one I did. Look at this. And my slime smells so good because of the Gillette that I use. Look at this. Look at this one touch. It's like, oh my slime. Slime tastic. didn't want them to combine. I don't combine it now. Stay away from each other. Go on your cube. Now I gotta separate them because they all want to be all up in each other's business. Over here. I don't know how I just became so OCD about this stuff. This feels so good. It keeps me calm. Go over here. Go over here. Or let's do an outro. Maybe bam. Bam. Thank you. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. Alright, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching my channel. If you enjoy this, if you want to see me do it again, just let me know. Leave it down in the comments down below. If you really, really liked it, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I want to thank you guys. Alright, enjoy your day.